Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can insert and apply logos to your videos in CapCut PC. So I'm just going to go to library here and I'm just going to select a video. Then I'm going to select the local import, select import, and I'm going to be opening a logo, for instance this one, and I'm just going to apply it to the video. I'm going to then scale it down here and I'm just going to place it here, and you can scroll down to blend and you can adjust the opacity. You can also try to find blend modes for it. Obviously it's only going to work for like the overlay one here, and you can kind of blend it in with your video like so, to make it like a watermark almost. But yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!